Hello, and welcome to another edition of Ask E&S. Today we're talking about kitchen taps. We're going to cover key considerations like the materials, the functionality, and the design. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest from E&S. Let's answer some of the questions we get asked both online and in store. What materials should my kitchen tap be made from? Your kitchen tap is likely to be the most used tap in your home, so it's worth investing in premium quality materials, not just for durability, but for health safety as well. Take this range from Jessie as an example. Manufactured from 316 grade stainless steel rather than standard grade, it offers superior corrosion resistance for a longer and healthier life. The internal ceramic disc cartridges are the key to a longer service life. In addition, Jessie kitchen taps feature technologically advanced finishes that combine galvanic and PVD coating systems for superior durability. What else should I look for in a kitchen tap? When it comes to functionality, kitchen taps have many options to choose from. There are the more traditional fixed spouts, and then there are the pull-out models that make cleaning and rinsing larger pots a breeze. Plus, dual spray models like this Jessie give you the flexibility of fast aerated flow for filling the sink or big pots, through to powerful jet flow, which is ideal for cleaning. So that covers off questions about materials and functionality. But what about the design aesthetics of kitchen taps? The kitchen tap will often be the focal point of an open plan kitchen. As a result, the tap design you choose will set the tone for the entire kitchen. Are you looking for a more industrial look? Or is it a minimalistic aesthetic you're after? There are some kitchen taps that really make a statement, like the Jessie Venti 20 or Proton range. Other things to consider are the tap finishes. The latest trends have seen polished nickel, brushed brass, and warm brushed bronze becoming popular choices in modern kitchen designs. Choosing the kitchen tap is such an important decision when designing your dream kitchen. There's a lot to consider, from the quality of the materials, the functionality, and the overall design aesthetic. If you want to know more about Jessie taps, visit an E&S showroom and talk to one of our kitchen experts. We look forward to seeing you soon. And if you have any questions you want E&S to answer in another edition, let us know here, ens.com.au/questions. Don't forget to subscribe to have more of your questions answered.